This video I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicate rows within the report that we have. Excel has a function over here that will highlight duplicate values. However, it only works for one column. So let's say that you only have one column, it will be easily identifiable by using this highlight cell rules and then duplicate values. However, if you have data across multiple columns, this feature will not work. So how are we going to figure out this thing? First, we need to combine all the data into one column. So in here, I will do combine, and I will put in a formula. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to concatenate just using the ampersand, this one and this one, right? Now, if you see, this is a combination of these three cells. And I can just click down here to copy down, and all of this is a combination of these three columns, right? So what next I will need to do over here, let's say that we do the conditional formatting, you'll be able to highlight, right? Because you can see that this and this is the same data, and this is duplicates, and then you can highlight this. However, this report like this is kind of hard to read. What we want is we want to highlight this portion instead of that column, right? So this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to use a formula. I'll explain the formula over here. We can put in the formula directly into the conditional formatting, but let me explain it over here. So the formula is going to be count if. So if we do equal count if and open bracket, and you can see that it want us to put in the range first and then the criteria second. So for us, the range is going to be this one, right? But I want to ensure that I have to lock this. So I'm going to press F4 in here and in here. This will lock the cell. So when I copy this down, this range will not move, but it is an absolute location that it's going to search, right? And I'm going to comma, and the criteria is this, right? And then I'm going to lock the column by putting the $sign. The row, I don't want to lock it because when it copy, I want it to copy down. And then we're going to close this and press enter. Now it means over here we only have one data. This one, it's unique across this range. However, if I copy this down, you will see that some of this data, the one that's highlighted, it has number 2. What it means is within this range, this data is there are 2, right? It confirmed with this conditional formatting. Now, how are we going to use this information for the conditional formatting up here? Remember, our target is we want to have this highlighted, right, instead of only this. So what we'll do is we'll do conditional. First, we're going to select the range that we want to apply the conditional formatting, and then we're going to do conditional formatting, and then we're going to do new rules. Next, we're going to select this one, and then here we're going to put in the formula, which is the same formula as this. It's equal count if, and then first is the range, which is this one, right? And after that, we're going to put in comma, and then we're going to start from here. So it's going to be $sign D2. Remember, we want to lock the column, but we don't want to lock the row. So we're going to put in the $sign on the D, but not the 2. We're going to close it, and this has to be greater than 1. So it's going to apply to this, which is everything that with this formula has a result of greater than 1. And then the format, we're going to select whichever color that we want. So for example, I'm going to select this one and click OK. When I click OK, as you can see, the whole cells here get highlighted. Now I can hide this, and as you can see, this shows that these are duplicate. Please like and share this video, or if you have any question, put it in the comment below, and also subscribe to our channel to get more of this video on Excel tips and tricks.